Custody battles can get downright ugly, with spouses airing dirty laundry in an effort to discredit the other spouse's parenting abilities. The 2001 Mississippi case of Hollon versus Hollon explores the court's treatment of one such scenario. Tim and Beth Hollon married in 1994. 2 years later, their son Zach was born. Tyler, Beth's son from a previous marriage, lived with them in their apartment. Because of Beth's work as the on-site apartment complex manager, the Hollons stayed in their 3-bedroom apartment rent-free. Tim was a police officer. A couple years after Zach's birth, the marriage was deteriorating, and Tim moved out and into his parents' home. Beth continued to provide Zach's primary care and even got a roommate to curb expenses. The female roommate had a young son who shared one of the 3 bedrooms with Zach. Tyler, then a teenager, got his own room, and the 2 women shared a room and bed. Though Beth denied it, Tim contended that the relationship between Beth and her roommate was sexual. Sometime later during the divorce trial, Beth and her boys moved into her parents' place while she waited for her new place to get finished. She also secured property management work at this new place where she only worked days and never weekends or holidays. Tim worked 12-hour shifts, and his schedule was 2 to 3 days on, alternated with 2 to 3 days off, regardless of holidays. In 1999, a trial court in Jackson County, Mississippi, issued the divorce decree and awarded Tim custody of Zach. Beth appealed to the state Supreme Court, claiming that the trial court's custody determination was erroneous.